This is my first YouTube video, so please bear with me. There's going to be a lot of mistakes, there's going to be a lot of errors, but hopefully we can get through this together. So the purpose of this channel is going to teach you guys a core set of principles that you could use to increase your financial wealth. Today we have this wonderful platform in front of us. It's called Robinhood. And if you guys don't know, look it up, do some research about it. It is absolutely blowing up. From last I've read, millions and millions of users are signing up for this. And it's a very powerful platform that gives users a lot of opportunity to make money. So regardless of what your trading philosophies are, or what your what your methods are of making money, you could potentially experience great success with this platform. So as you can see, I have my portfolio up. Right now my day gain is 40%, 0.40%, and that equates to about $4.98. So far I've put in around $1,200, I believe. If you actually go to the 3-month mark, I put in, yep, there you go. I put in $1,200 around March 18th, around that time. Currently it's April 18th. So since that day, I've made about a total gain of $43. That equates to $3.64. So scrolling down, these are a couple of the stocks that I am currently invested in. I have 9 shares of Cisco, 11 shares of Siri, 30 shares of HP, and 6 shares of AMD. Right now, down here is my watch list. Right now you see some very common stock: Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Tesla. I do have a lot of stocks underneath that I'm watching. I just don't want to scroll down yet in this video. Maybe that's something that I'll share in another video. Right now I just want to get started with explaining to you guys what the purpose of this channel is going to be. So what I'm going to try to do is explain to you guys how I'm experiencing a lot of success, and to show you guys proof that you guys could also experience success by applying some of the principles that I've been applying. I've been investing passively. I'm not an active trader. I don't do high frequency trading. I'm not looking at my portfolio every minute and seeing where I could sell and potentially make $1, and then where I could put my money back in and potentially make $10. I'm not doing that, because that's not the method that I want to take to make money. I know that I have money left over at the end of the day. I know that I could put that leftover money in a portfolio, and I know that without even touching that portfolio, it'll make me consistent returns over a period of time. And that's exactly what I've been experiencing for these past 3 months. I take it that I've been, these past 3 months I've went up 3.64%. And I believe the market's been down recently. So just yesterday I was at 1250. It was at close around 4%, a bit over 4%. Regardless, I wanted to share with you guys a couple of tactics that you could use to make money on this platform. So one thing that you could really take advantage of is this collection of stocks down here. So these are basically categories of stocks that have been collected and grouped together. One common place to start off with is the 100 most popular stocks. Alright, so let's go into that and see some of the most popular stocks. And you have, you're given a ton of data here. You can sort of filter this out. Now it's filtered out by popularity, so we could see that Aurora Cannabis is the most held stock right now. 410,000 people are holding this, which is it's actually not surprising. A lot of people want to get involved with bubbles. I don't know, I don't want to categorize this as a bubble right now, but it's a very bubbly stock. If you guys were involved with BTC, Bitcoin, you might see something similar here. Let me see where the bubble is. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, this is a stock that I personally would stay away from. I just don't like this. Let me actually let me show you guys a type of stock that I will not stay away from, that I will put a lot of money in, and that's Cisco. So one thing that, principle number one, before going into any stock, you must look at the chart, and the long-term chart, not the day, the week, the month, the long-term chart. So right now, let's look at the year chart. Matter of fact, let's even look at the 5-year chart. This stock shows all the signs of stability. Look at this. It just looks freaking beautiful. It looks absolutely beautiful. If you see a stock like this, read the fundamentals, do your research, and put in a lot of money into this, because it will give you a lot of returns. Stay tuned. In my next video, I'll cover why you should start investing into stock like this, why you should put your money into stock like this, and how stock like this, I've used stock so many times, but how a stock like this would give you amazing returns over time. Alright, thank you for listening, and that's it for today.